My people, una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name na Anthony, your ogbonge presenter for First Aid Immigrant Solution. In case if una never subscribe, una not forget to hit the subscribe button because anytime we can take drop new video, una will be the first person wey go first get alert for anything wey una take dey watch me. So in case if una never see subscribe, una not still forget, una take hit the subscribe button. And some people wey still dey tell me say, bros, they don't get my number. My number still remain 35101233025. So now there una fit reach me for any advice or any consulate wey una still want. I will still give am as my own power still reach. So wetin be the thing wey make me come today? So as the story wey make me come today na very sour story. You know say like me now, I dey chook my mouth for anything wey you know say our people go fit still learn from. Na be the thing where I dey chook my mouth. Not be only bonus or only document or entertainment. Not be here I dey chook my mouth. I dey chook my mouth for anything where I know say my viewers e go dey useful to them. So now I say make I bring this story wey happen for Roma, and a very sour story. So the story sour sotey when I put am for mouth, I no even fit swallow am. Now I say I need to see bring am to una. Una still drop una comment or una fit still call if una still get opportunity, because of say the story dey bring bad image to our people. So now I say make I come still let us know how the thing take play for Roma. Wetin be the story? Na be this. Say 3 immigrants they try to escape from hospital because of say they get coronavirus. Na be the story. So you know say not funny. The story na so you already show. So more go in details how the thing take play. So they say for Roma, for hospital where they call Celio Hospital. Now there this story for happen when 3 immigrants, 2 girls, 1 boy. And to be just this short, they say those immigrants they be Nigerians. So as they tested positive, now the doctor announced they can't say make they join hands together. They still do the normal way where they still they hospitalize patients. They hospitalize these guys. They test them. They see say their test now positive, and they say make they fair cheap for hospital. Make they receive normal treatment as the other people see they do on. Instead, where all these men go cheap, all these men can't see they try. Make they can't use our African sense to operate for here. No say not be African sense go work for this kind of situation, because sickness not be waiting that they form, not be waiting that they forge. Now waiting they test, waiting they see, now that they tell us they don't want to put the virus for our body, because it can't where our people take they imagine this virus and they imagine and say, I see say man, people will get this virus and soonest they'll just die. Me get friends where he get this coronavirus during this lockdown. At the end of the day now, their virus don't come out. They don't get the virus again. When they don't do 2 tests, they test negative. They go normal way. They live their normal life. You understand? So not be waiting if funny at all, because our people, the way they look this virus, they look this virus as if say na child's play, or as if say the virus e no dey, na just they just carry just imagine e dey. They no your imagine. Me as I dey talk to you, so I still do this swab test. My own come negative. I comot. They not kill me. So now say may I let us know. So as these people they hospitalized on them for this Celio Hospital. Now these 2 girls and 1 boy, so now they come team together, come talk say man, what did they do when they fit take bagger come on for that hospital? Now they come talk say they form as if say they discharge them. Then now they come package paper. As they package paper, they come they waka as if say they want they don't discharge them, say they want come out for hospital. Now there's some of those nurses and doctors come notice say this kind of strange waka, not be waka where they take discharge person. So if they discharge you, the way you will fit come out, you will come out with confidence. Those people around there, they sneak want come out for hospital, and then those doctors come gbab them. As they gbab them, he hold the 2 girls. Now those 2 girls bat the doctor. As he said, they beg the doctor, na the doctor shout. So na the boy for inside na the other doctor still hold the boy, na the boy blow am boom. As they try to escape comot for inside hospital, na those police those doctor come call carabinieri. They be like mobile police for our side. As they call carabinieri, na carabinieri come re-establish order, come call more carabinieri, na they come block those hospital. They block am in a way that all the entrance and exit point they mark am patapata, so tey they no fit even flag wey come out, they pin the flag. Na they come gbab all these boys so and these girls. So as they gbab them, so now they come pull them back again for separate hospital. They come say make they treat them well before they come out for there. So as they catch those people, now then they come denuncia them. They come lay complaint, a criminal complaint for disobeying the doctors and for avoiding to leave those hospital premises with coronavirus. So now they come pack a lot of criminal acts, add and join their paper. Now they come add and join the coronavirus, give the 3 immigrants. So those immigrants, to be precise, they be Nigerians. You understand? So now they can't give them for inside. So you can't pack them for them to refuse the doctor order and for them to forcefully tell them say they want come up for hospital. Now then they for come pack a lot of criminal act come put for their name. So those people now, as we dey talk, so they see they under treatment, forceful treatment. They come force them say they must treat una. The reason why they force join them and say they must treat una because they don't want make una come up for hospital. More na go enter public bus or public train or where people for gather without any social distancing and all those things now they make this coronavirus spread. So because now the president first talk say he no go back to lockdown again because the lockdown will first go during February, March and middle of April. Italy never fit still recover for this economical crisis. If you see the way the economy dey shake, they shake well. So people don't lost their job. So people even where they find work, even many past people they work. So now there our brother whether they call Salvini, consider say this government way dey so he say that they put Italy in danger. He say no security at all because during the own time a lot of people now they enter through Mediterranean Sea. Look the period now where they dey now. A lot of people say they come even during this coronavirus. See the way immigrants they fight their own daughter where they save life and all those things. In they use all this one until they mock this present government where see they try to see help immigrants. So now say make I come use this video to tell our brothers and sisters say if you get coronavirus not the key. All you need to do is to follow all the rules and regulations where doctor give you. If you follow one, the thing go as the test go result to negative. So if you don't follow the instructions, say you want forcefully come out for hospital, at the end of the day, now if you can't reach us now, the thing can increase now, you can't call ambulance not come on time. Now go say because say you be black, you call ambulance and not come. No, the time when you supposed to stay for hospital now, make them settle down treat you for free. If you dey work, say you want go back to work, tell them say you get coronavirus, government go pay for those times when you take get coronavirus. Doctor, the power of doctor, many people don't know. So doctor fit write paper give you, they fit give you document. You understand? That they call am for Italy cura medico. So if you get doctor, you know the power of doctor. Say anything wey doctor write, say if doctor say this person make dem give am paper because of the sickness wey e get, they'll give you. You understand now? But if you come dey find doctor at the end of the day now, they come tell am say this person psychologically e head not correct, they'll go carry am put for a psychiatric hospital. At the end of the day, you no fit work, you no fit do better work again. So now I say make I use this video still take advise us, because the thing wey happen, the thing not even sweet me at all, because this story is very sour. Not the way me take dey talk am so, not the way I take dey analyze am so. But I wan just make I take advise our people how the thing take play. Even our former president, wey they call Silvio Berlusconi, even still test positive. You understand? Because he test positive and the guy not get the symptom for body. They call the asymptomatic patient. Asymptomatic patient na person wey he get the virus, but the virus not dey show for his body. So if Berlusconi fit get am, as the guy he hold pepper, he dey among the first 10 people wey hold pepper pass for Italy. Then we wey you see come as a foreigners, they say make you see pin down. That one pin down for hospital for Milan. Make you pin down for hospital for Roma and for capital city now. You dey form say man, you no wan say you wan come sneak comot for hospital. E no good. Una dey bring bad names to immigrant wey dey Italy. Now I say make I use this one. They tell us say coronavirus e no dey kill if you follow all the rules and regulations wey doctor talk. So dem dey treat am, dem dey cure am, e dey curable. No be one wey you talk say man, see I no dey well na my body dey okay. If doctor test am say your swab test na positive, pin down. Wait make doctor tell you say the test don change from positive to negative before you comot for hospital. Na so the thing just be. So no be the one wey una use take dey bring bad news or go dey follow doctors dey fight because of say they wan try help you. So you no fit try that one for bongo now. More na reason na how the story be. E sweet for ear or na sour story as I talk. You see say the story na very sour story. E sour well well. Now I say make I bring am to our notice say if any of us come across say tomorrow now anytime when the children still resume school now at the end maybe some of the children come still get coronavirus, you as a parent dey fit tell you say make you stay for house, make you pin down because of say your children get am. No still quarrel, you still pin down, stay for house, still respect quarantine, make the virus not still spread again until they don get the vaccine wey they say they wan share to us, so that if you don take the vaccine, we know say the thing don already dey okay. Because all these things wey dey happen, so there's first us say similar thing don first happen in 1918 when they see dey play football, all of them wear mask for field. You know, for those spectators, those fans wey dey watch them, they put on mask. After 102 years, na the thing come still happen again. So now footballers still dey get this coronavirus. So if they still get this coronavirus, they no play football. Some of them, the team, they will dey under quarantine. After all of them don dey tested for negative before they go back to field of play again. So now I say make I use this one to tell us say if you know say you tested positive and doctor tell you say make you wait, or you call your doctor tell you say make you go hospital, so you wait until the result be negative before you come out. You understand? So now I say make I use this video to advise our people the way they fit live their own life. So I say the man Anthony, if you're a regular presenter for this festival, in case if you never subscribe, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Still promote this video and send that to our loved ones, so that anytime when I see they drop new video, una first get alert for anything when they watch me. So una bye bye. Happy Sunday.